Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open any apps like Settings, Calendar and Messages. Then click at the button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one. Second one. And third one. As you can see, when you click on the bubbles, you can use all of these apps at the same time. If you want to close any of these windows, click at this blue line over here and select the X icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!